guys, I'm so excited to be unboxing my Momcozy mobile style breast pump hands-free. It's the M6 version. And so basically a little bit about me and my pumping journey. I've been breastfeeding and pumping for 12 days now, because that's when I had my baby. It was 12 days ago. So yeah, we are in the routine of this breastfeeding and pumping journey. So I've gotten a little bit of a routine, and also just like knowing my body now, listening to my body, you know, when it's time to pump, just because it's really a lot. Breastfeeding is a lot, first off, and then pumping is like more onto it, but I need to pump because I need a stash. So yeah, anyways, yeah, that's a little bit about my story. And yeah, I've been having this, but you know, I just wanted to get my supply established first with a regular wall pump. I've been using the Spectra S1, the blue one, and so yeah, I feel like it's pretty established. I probably won't use this for another 1 or 2 more days, but I definitely will be using this here soon, so that I could just stick it in my bra and not have to hold the pump, or you know, be cautious with the Spectra pump, you know, hanging out, because it's really bulky pretty much. These are discreet, you just put them in your bra. So let's go ahead and open it, guys. So here we are. There's some instructions on this paper, and I just love the way it's packaged. Like, it's so sleek. So yeah, there's the instructions on this paper, so I'm gonna save this paper. And then there's the case. And so yeah, it looks like just everything is in the case. A very nice case too. So we got the wires up here to charge. Okay, so this is nice. So you got these 2 zippers that just go in this section here. I'll take these out. And then you got this big zipper that goes to this bigger section. So I like how that's separate. There's a bunch of little pieces. I believe some of these are the inserts. These are the duck bill valves. I believe that's what it's called. More of this. Manual, which I will be reading. I have time, so why not just read it? But yeah. And then we've got these, and this is a very nice structured case. Like, they sit in here very well. They have a new one, the Momcozy. They have an Air 1, I think that's the name. It's really skinny, like very skinny, so it goes in your bra very easily. And the case is chargeable, like it's a charging case. So whenever you put the pump in there, you turn it on to charge. Like, that's really cool. And it charges like, I think 2 or 3 times before the case dies, and then you just charge the case. I'll definitely want to get that one in the future. But here it is, the M6. It's actually a little bit bigger than I thought, honestly, but nothing wrong with that. I'm just looking forward to the hands-free, putting it in my bra, and that's it. Just take, this is like a cover to cover the flange part. I don't think this comes apart. I don't know, maybe. I'm gonna have to figure this out. Okay, so this comes out. I know this comes out, is washable. This is so small compared to the Spectra, the little duck bill valve. Okay, and you can just put this as well in the washer. I have the Momcozy bottle washer, so yeah, I think you just put this in there. And yeah, this is nice though. It is soft. Well, I'm not gonna open this one, but there's 2 more duck bill valves. And I'll open this one because it's my size. Ooh, they're nice and silicone. I love that. I've been using the Willow flange inserts for my Spectra because they're silicone, and I love how this is silicone. Like, that's awesome. I was afraid it was gonna be plastic, but nope. The flange inserts are silicone, so you'll just insert them into here. Boom. It fits really nice. It went in very, very easily. Love that. Excited for that. They also give two 19mm inserts and two 21mm inserts. I'll just keep them somewhere, you know, for extra in case if for some reason I need to use the bigger ones, because they do say that your size can change. This is like a whole unboxing slash figuring it out together, so let's figure this out. So this has to come apart. Oh, okay, that was easy. Okay, replace washable parts every 1 to 3 months. Don't sterilize in a microwave or UV sterilizer. Left that sticky stuff. But yeah, that was like really easy though. You just, okay, you just put it back on and then you just take it off. Okay, so there's no buttons, it's just kind of like a snap in a way. Detach the pump motor and do not open the flange when pouring milk. So I'm gonna just put it back together a little bit, not all the way. Oh, okay. It's making sense to me now. So you finish pumping, you got your milk in here, you take this off, and then you've got a little spout right here that you can pour the milk out of. Okay, so that makes sense to me now. Alright guys, so that's it for this unboxing. I mean, I have the other one, it's, you know, gonna be the same exact thing, so I won't bore you for that, but yeah, thank you so much for unboxing my Momcozy M6 wearable pump with me. I appreciate you guys, and stay tuned for some more videos. I post Christian content, lifestyle content, and now mom content, so yeah, stay tuned, subscribe if you're interested in any of that, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.